Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 24th September 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content here does not represent our opinions. It's simply a reflection of news items in public media. Let's dive into today's stories. First up, Tesla has made headlines with its recent announcement about the expansion of its Gigafactory in Texas. The company plans to increase production capacity significantly, aiming to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles. This move is seen as a strategic effort to solidify Tesla's position as a leader in the EV market. In related news, Elon Musk has hinted at a new Tesla model that could be unveiled later this year. While details remain scarce, speculation is rife about what innovations this new vehicle might bring. Musk's cryptic tweets have certainly stirred excitement among Tesla enthusiasts. Switching gears to SpaceX, the company has successfully launched another batch of Starlink satellites, further expanding its global internet coverage. This launch marks a significant milestone as SpaceX continues to enhance its satellite internet service, aiming to provide connectivity to remote areas worldwide. Additionally, SpaceX is gearing up for its next big mission to Mars. The company has been testing its Starship prototypes rigorously, with the goal of achieving a manned mission to the Red Planet in the near future. This ambitious project underscores SpaceX's commitment to making interplanetary travel a reality. On the Neuralink front, the company has announced a breakthrough in its brain-machine interface technology. Recent trials have shown promising results, bringing Neuralink closer to its goal of helping individuals with neurological disorders. This development highlights the potential of merging technology with human biology to improve lives. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates on Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink as fascinating as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more news on Elon Musk and his groundbreaking ventures. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.